Okay, finally, on the last step of the project is to test if our policies actually work. And from what we have now, you see that the policies already taking place. You can see that you are denied access to the service catalog. And again, the last step is we need to test the IAM user access if they have access or not. And from here, you can see that they are already being denied access. So after logging in, you might want to take a screenshot of that particular aspect. And also we can test further by, let's go to the EC2 instance service. Let's go to the EC2 instance service, for example, and let's go and see all of those instances and let's see if we can manipulate them. Let's see if we can manipulate them and see, uh, say instances. So allow that to load. Okay, so now you can see that you already have like an alarm status. And so let's see, for example, now the sales thingy. Now I want to configure this sales server, the instance. Then I want to click on instance. Let me stop this instance and let me see if I'll be able to do that. And let's click on stop. Oh, now you see that we now have an error. It says failed to stop instance because you are not authorized to perform this operation. We don't have the it's not authorized. So you might also want to take this as short and save it as well. And to save that, and to save that. So this is how you can test simply if you have access or not. So it's going to give you that error. Simply, you might also want to like configure some other things. Say, uh, let's see. Let's just close this. If you close this and say you want to edit the name or something, even from here, you can see that you already have AWS Compute Optimizer finding. These are uh, cybersecurity audit Ali is not authorized to perform all of these things. So let's go to IAM. Let's see if you can add a new user. Let's see if you can or create a new group within this particular server if you'd be able to do that. So you can see you have access denied to even the dashboard. And so you might also want to create a screenshot of that. You have access denied. Let's see if you click on user groups, you can see you have you don't have access to IAM. Let's go to request copy. You get access, copy the following text and send it to your AWS administrator. Blah, blah, blah. You might want to do that. So this is how to test. So we've been able to um, create a policy and assign that policy to a group which affects a certain user or all of the users within a certain group of the AWS infrastructure. So to take this project further, you might create like 3 users into a certain group to help you um, understand how to go about this and to replicate it as many times as possible. So a report about this will be generated and sent to you for your documentation. I hope this helps, guys, and we'll be moving on to the next project.